Welcome again to my channel. This video is for tutorial for in English for tool number 2, how to load your BOQ to B6 resource dictionary. So in a nutshell, the tool is just like that. We have a group of resources. The group of resources are divided into some resource title, and these resource title have some more resource titles, and after that we will put our resource that has unit of measure and unit rate. Okay, let's see in action how it works. We have a BOQ here, and let's get started how to load these into Primavera V6. First, let's take a look at BOQ. In the blue color, this is our the resource title, and in the green one are the resource title of the resource title. Okay, and in white color are the resources itself. So let's take this blue one here, group 1, and this is the resource title of the resource title here, and its resources it's and this one it's in the group 2, and this is the resource title of the resource title, and this is the resource itself. Here it is another resource title, and this is resource title, and this is all the resources of it. Here we have three resource title of the resource title. So let's see how to put it right. We'll put this one here, and its resource in the resource 1. This one is here since it belongs to this one, and this one we put it here. So how this works? We see here this one is under the resource title of this one, and this one is the under resource title of this one. So simply the resources of this resource title, its resources are in here, and this resource title, its resources are here, and this one, its resources here. It's just like that. And this one is locked because we didn't put any data yet. If we put any data like that, it will be unlocked, and you can put your data. Let's continue. And this one here, the resource here. This is another resource title. We'll put in another group. And this one is here. Sorry, here. Since it's a resource title. And its resources are here. And this is a resource title. Okay. We finished put the naming of our BQ, so let's load our resources with its unit of measure and unit rate. So simply, to make things easier, let's make a filter and will not show any blanks in the unit rate. It's show like that. After that, we will take the unit and unit rate like that and go to special and invisible cells only and copy. Again, we will go to find and select, go to special, visible cells only, and select those. And we'll put things here. So let's check if these are right. Yes, it's 13 number of source should be cost loaded. It's 13 resources. We have 13 resources, and we put number of resources loaded with code is 13. See, it's 13. Okay, after we finished, let's transform this data. Let's say the project short name. Let's say it's test. Discipline architecture, and it's transformed. Let's make let's you can export a dummy file, XCR file, and edit with Notepad or Notepad++, and it's from T project. Delete all data and paste the from data you have been the tool has been generated. The tool will generate as a number of data in copy form. You don't have to copy. It will be generated in copy form. After that, save, import, and it will be loaded after that. After that, it will the import file will have a project name called delete me. It's just a blank file, nothing, doesn't have anything. You have you can delete the project, and the resource will be generated here. This is the tool have generated these. It's generated it loaded the BOQ like that. Let's check. We have site construction, demolition for wall, ceiling, flooring, lump sum 350. We have concrete underlayment, and then slope concrete here in meter square and 350. After that, we have wood, plastic, and composite, fiberglass, and front paneling. And we have two resources: glass fiber, GRP for floor mechanics 6475 meter square, and this is meter length. Okay, and we have this. It has three titles: thermal insulation, and under thermal insulation it has this resource for this number, and we have aluminum as its resource, and this one for this resource. Just like that, you have uploaded all your resources in, from Primavera P6 like that. This tool is free to download, and it has been upgraded so that it will transform the data very fast and very smooth. Hope this tutorial helps people who don't understand this tool how it works, and stay tuned for my upcoming tools, and please subscribe and support me um, with um, uh, any ideas how to make things easier for your work, any ideas to make new tools, or suggestion of how to make the tools more easy. for you. I welcome any new ideas and stay tuned for every month for a new tool. Thank you.